Today, I'm going to solve a problem using the Pythagorean Theorem. But first, subscribe to the channel so we can reach 10,000 subscribers. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and leave a comment. A tree fell on top of a building. The base of the tree on the ground is 9 meters away from the building. The building is 12 meters tall. How tall is the tree? Here we can see that a right triangle has formed, and we need to find the value of. The tree is the hypotenuse. So, applying the Pythagorean theorem here, which is a squared equals b squared plus c squared, meaning the sum of the squares of the legs is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Now let's substitute. A squared equals 9 squared, which is one leg, plus 12 squared, which is the second leg. So a squared, the hypotenuse, equals 81 plus 144. 144 plus 81. 4 plus 1 is 5. For plus 8 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So a squared equals 225. Is that the answer? Is that the height of the tree, 225 meters? No, we still need to solve the exponent. Here, the exponent turns into the root over here. It's always the inverse, so it'll be a equals the square root of 225. The square root of 225 is 15. So what's the height of the tree? 15 meters. Here's the answer. Easy, just by applying the Pythagorean theorem. If you got it right too, leave a comment and tell me what you want to see in the next videos. Thank you so much for watching.